This video demonstrates how to use Python commands to execute a sample script in the CS+ Python console. The Python console can control CS+ using IronPython, which is a script language. The functions, properties, classes, and events to control CS+ are available to the Python console. CS+ can be controlled by using an external communications facility in a Python 3 execution environment. Launch the CS+, open the Python console from View, Python console. The console tab allows you to run IronPython functions, control statements, and CS+ Python functions to control CS+ in creating, building, and debugging projects. The results of execution and errors are also displayed here. The Sample Scripts tab displays sample scripts obtained from the Renesas website and are executable in the Python console. The server.start command must be executed before running any script file. It starts socket communication to connect with Python 3 execution environment. Enter the command to import sys module. Then, append the integration service folder to the settings for paths. Import the CS+ module. Call the connect function to establish communication between Python 3 execution environment and CS+. Now, you can call the functions of the CS+ module to control CS+. Next, let's demonstrate how to execute the sample script. Access the downloaded scripts under the Sample Scripts tab. Selecting the title of a sample script will display a description of the script. Click Add to Project to register the script file with the active project. The Add to Project button is not clickable when no CS+ project is active. Double-clicking on the name of a script file in the project tree will open the registered script file in the editor panel. Modify the script file as required. Right-click on the name of the script file in the project tree and select Execute in Python console. The console tab will become active and the script file will be executed. The results of execution will be displayed in the Python console. For more details, refer to the CS+ Python console user's manual.